Hello, here's another short video from Scatterwork, this time about errors in work and using good communication to solve them. In a project environment, there are deliverables to be delivered. In other words, there's work to be done. It has to be done the right way, in the right place, at the right time, and so on. And the big challenge is usually to fit together. Very often the technology is well known and a company is doing projects similar to the last time. So it's really this meeting of minds which is the hardest part. Well, we want to understand what the other person is saying and they want to understand what we're saying. And they say that there are three different ways of learning, three ways we can think of communicating. And one way of learning is by sound. For example, I knew somebody who used to remember telephone numbers by the tone that the dialers used to do. They used to have a tone for every number. And she used to remember the tune. She was a musician. And that was her way of communicating. Other people are very vision oriented, and it's much easier for them to understand what's happening if they get a little picture. And this is why PowerPoint and slides are so successful. And then another way of learning is by movement. For example, if we say, well, we'd like you to make a picture of this, and you draw it, in the actual doing of that, that somehow communicates with our body and it helps the memory. Now with virtual teams, we don't have that third one, but we do have the first two. So what I would suggest is to use a combination of communication styles and to stimulate a combination from the people that we're trying to understand, so that we really understand what they're saying, we can get our ideas together and then agree what needs to be done. Thanks very much.